In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your entire ChatGPT brain to Claude without losing anything. First, open ChatGPT and head to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Data Controls, then choose Export. This option bundles up your full conversation history into a single archive so nothing gets missed. Confirm the export and follow the prompts until the file is saved to your computer. Keep in mind this can take a little time if you have a lot of conversations, so be patient and make sure you remember where you save the file for the next step. Once the download finishes, locate the archive and unzip it inside. You'll find a set of folders and files that represent your ChatGPT account data. What you are looking for is the conversation JSON file. This file holds the text of your chats along with useful metadata, and it's the cleanest way to move a large history without copy-pasting each thread. If you prefer to move only select conversations, you can also open the JSON file in a text editor and copy out just the portions you want. But avoid changing the structure of the file unless you know exactly what you are doing. Now switch over to Claude and create a new project. Projects keep your sources and context organized, which is ideal when you are migrating a big knowledge base. Give the project a clear, memorable name so you'll know exactly what lives there as your content grows over time. Inside your new project, go to the Knowledge section. This is where Claude indexes documents and snippets so it can reference them during your future work. Upload the conversation JSON file directly. Or, if you decided to move only selected material, paste that relevant conversation text here. Keep your uploads logically grouped. For example, if you've exported a very large archive, consider separating out major topics into their own uploads so it's easier to maintain. As the files process, avoid including any private or sensitive details you don't want stored and use consistent naming so you can quickly find what you've added later. That's it. Thanks for watching.